Space melody on the beat.
techfeedz.
Alright, people. We've got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. Okay, guys. It's that time of the year again. In case you don't know by now, the Note 9 is coming out on the 24th of August. The excitement this time around is about the battery life. The battery is 4,000 mAh. The S Pen is pretty dope as well. You can use it as a remote control to take pictures wirelessly, play videos, presentation, PowerPoint wirelessly, obviously, and another big point is the extendable memory, which goes up to 1 terabyte. That is pretty big, okay, because many computers on laptop don't even have that. Powerful processor, which we've been waiting for as well. It's also dope. As you can see right in front of your face, this comes out of the box straight away with Fortnite. That's for the gamers. If you're a fan of gaming, this is what you're getting. New camera, okay, a revamped camera, which is also intelligence. You can read more about that. It has something that's called intelligence recognition. Okay, you recognize what are the subject that you are shooting. Okay, if it's food, animal, person. And there is another beautiful thing about that. Some may call it a gimmick. It'll tell you if your subject has the eye closed or things like that. All right, if your lens is dirty or things like that. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? That's what you got in the box. You got the headphones, the phone on the S Pen, and your usual charger, USB cable, and the tools to eject your SIM card and on the pen tip. Okay, let's talk about specs in details right now. The processor speed type is Qualcomm Dragon 845 octa core. All right, that is pretty big and fast. You may find it out later on once you purchase this. That's the beast. The display 6.4 curved display. That's the size. The main display technology, Super AMOLED display. Yourself, you know how that go if you are a Samsung user. Pretty dope, vibrant image, just on graphics. The processor already spoken about that. The S Pen is supported. The camera, front threshold camera is 8 megapixel, and the rear camera is 12 megapixel with super speed dual pixel on dual aperture. Okay. Memory, another strong point I already mentioned. 120 for the smaller version, and 512 gigabyte storage. The RAM is 8 and 6 depending where you are in the world. 1 terabyte, man, this is heavy. It comes out of the box with the new Android 8.0 ORL. The size of the phone 7.90 aux. We already spoken about the inch and the dimension, the battery life, type and size. All right, key features just to kind of show. Oh, by the way, this is waterproof, water resistant, all the way to let me just double check that out. That goes all the way to it's IP67 rating, which is 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. No shock proof, under the water. Accessories are pretty straightforward, like you have seen. There is more to it. If you want to know in depth, just double check the presentation on Samsung.com. Okay. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, I hope this was helpful, and if so, thumbs up the video. We got more coming up, as you know. Talk among yourself. We love you all out here, and we love your support. Keep it late, keep it safe, and as usual, peace out. Let's do it and do it.